The excavator is no longer just a machine for digging and lifting. With the right attachment, a single excavator can become a tree cutter, rock breaker, crusher, screening machine, forestry mulcher, or even a precision grading system. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible excavator attachments that completely transform what these machines can do. Number 10. Simex VSE30. This screening bucket turns a 16 to 30-ton excavator into a mobile screening machine. Operators can adjust the screening shaft spacing directly from the cab, allowing different material sizes to be processed without complicated manual adjustments. It's ideal for construction, demolition, recycling, landscaping, and soil reclamation. Number 09. Tinbin TC2. Instead of digging material traditionally, the TC2 uses powerful suction to remove soil, gravel, debris, and even liquids. Its rotating suction tube makes it especially useful around underground utilities, trenches, drains, railway infrastructure, and other areas where precise excavation is required. Number 08. Woodcracker C250. This attachment transforms an excavator into a specialized tree cutting machine. It combines a powerful gripper with a cutting blade, allowing operators to securely hold a tree while cutting through the trunk. It's designed for forestry, land clearing, roadside maintenance, and controlled tree removal. Number 07. Steelwrist XTR20. This tilt rotator gives a mid-sized excavator continuous 360-degree rotation and up to 45 degrees of tilt in both directions. That means operators can position buckets and tools with incredible precision for grading, trenching, landscaping, road construction, and foundation work. Number 06. FAE UML. This forestry mulcher turns a 14 to 20-ton excavator into a powerful vegetation clearing machine. It can process trees and vegetation up to around 20 centimeters in diameter, making it useful for forestry maintenance, habitat management, and demanding land clearing projects. Number 05. Montabert V47. When an excavator encounters extremely hard rock or concrete, the Montabert V47 is built for the job. This heavy-duty hydraulic breaker can deliver up to 1,160 blows per minute, with variable impact power that adapts to material resistance. It's designed for demanding construction, quarrying, excavation, and demolition work. Number 04. Benavaglatus BVR19E. This large screening bucket allows excavated material to be separated directly at the job site. Designed for 31 to 40-ton excavators, it can process material for recycling, demolition recovery, landscaping, environmental reclamation, and construction projects without requiring separate screening equipment. Number 03. Auger Torque KDC. Instead of smashing rock and concrete with repeated impacts, the KDC uses a rotating drum equipped with cutting teeth. This allows controlled material removal for trenching, rock excavation, concrete removal, demolition, profiling, and even underwater cutting. Number 02. MB Crusher BF80.3. This attachment turns an excavator into a mobile crushing machine. Rocks, concrete, and demolition materials can be crushed directly where they are excavated, potentially reducing transportation requirements while helping recover reusable material on site. Number 01. TMK200. The TMK200 gives compact excavators the ability to cut and handle small trees. Its grapple and cutting blade work together to secure and cut timber, while optional equipment can support gathering, delimbing, splitting, rotation, and hydraulic tilting.